What happened, Mama? You looked so weak and ill. I need to find a job for my family. I can't see my mother sad. Here, is any job? I need a job.
Here is your uniform. Change it and take a charge.
I think it's cooked well, looks so yummy. Wow, I learned a lot here.
You did a great job, little one. Here's your reward.
Thank you so much. Mother, I get a job. My restaurant owner give me meal and money. I love you so much.
Nothing tastes better than your love. So pure, so gentle, so kind.
Subscribe my channel for more updates.